Welcome back again to my channel. So today you may be wondering what is happening today. I'm making 2 videos in a day. Now remember, today I just taught you how you can treat your cold, your flu, cough using bitter leaf and scent leaf. So today I'm going to be teaching you another remedy, and this is a natural remedy meant for those feeling feverish, those having malaria, and for those whose blood level is very low. So you can use the sleeve to treat this. So I'm going to be showing you how I prepare using this leaf to treat my blood level whenever it is getting low, and whenever I feel feverish, or whenever I'm having malaria symptoms. So it's easy, it's safe, and I hope you try it. So please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification so you do not miss any of my weekly content on my channel. So I'm going to be teaching you today how to treat your fever or whenever you're feeling feverish. This is what we are going to use, this leaf. You're going to be seeing the wonders of this leaf by the time we begin the preparation. So I'm going to be cutting the leaf right now. This is good for malaria, for those suffering from malaria. This is good. So let's begin. Let's start cutting it. Okay, cutting it. Let's go to the next one. Still the same. We're cutting it, as you can see. Remember the last time we talked about the scent leaf. This is the scent leaf. This is the scent leaf used for treating flu, and whenever you're feeling cold, this is what you use. Let me take you to the bitter leaf section. So this is the bitter leaf. We have enough of them here, you can see. So this is what you use when treating cold, flu, or also when you're feeling feverish or you're having headaches. You can use the mixture of the scent leaf and the bitter leaf. But today I'm going to be using another leaf. You're going to be seeing the wonders of this leaf. So let's see how it goes. And please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification so you get to see my next recipe next week, which is chicken stew. So see you. I do not know what the name of the leaf is called, but what I know is that it is very good for people suffering from shortage of blood. So it's a very easy recipe. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy yourself while you watch me preparing this remedy. I hope you try it. So see you guys later. Make a close view of it. So if you're having malaria, shortage of blood, you're having shortage of blood, and you're feeling feverish, we're just going to be using this leaf to prepare this remedy.